Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to split text into different columns. Yes, it's a super easy technique and analysis purpose and preparing a great reports and changing the data from x-axis to y-axis to x. These all the scenarios you need to concentrate how to make splitting this data into multiple required columns. Now let's see here a sample data I have taken for employee ID or any of the ID on full name in a single column only. Mary Alice, John Perry, Pradyumna Rusko. There is some space option is given here for the space character. So with this text, how to making into the I want to be like a last name. Yes, it's a last name. And similarly like a first name we can split into the multiple two more columns. So how it is possible and how it is easy. See here I'm making a format how it is the existing text here. Yes, and put a bold. Now it is here now. So the first name and last name. Now let's see here what I'm trying to doing. Select the data. What data you want to make and you want to split from the text. Yes, if it is already available you can select it. Yes, if it is from external sources while importing how to split I'll teach you in the next lectures. Now simply you can observe, select the data and go to the data menu. From the menu options you go to the data. So here there is a data tools. These all are data tools. So here we want to the concept to be making text to columns. So this particular text it is here and want to be split into the columns. In here you may observe data tools. So place the mouse into the text to columns. Now the option is text to columns. Split a single column to text into multiple columns. For example, we can separate columns into the full name, into the separate names of last name, different names or any other. And how we need to choose up to our width, like a fixed width we want, split each comma or period. These are all the characters we'll see here by clicking this option. So click to this option, convert text to columns wizard. This wizard will help you the three simple steps. So here delimited. So simply delimited characters such as the comma or tab space for each field automatically it will be go, or else fixed width. How you want to align the fixed width? If you want, there is an option you need to choose this radio button. So delimited I am taking preview of selected data. This one it is a by default it is. Now click next. There is a wonderful ready-made options. Wonderful really. So here screen like a screen lets you set the delimiter of your data contains. Yes, tab position it is there or comma is there or space is there. See my data is having only space. So you just click on space. Wow, see the data preview automatically it is showing in the two different columns. If I am removing the space, same. If I am click the space, yes. If the comma is there in between data, you test with the comma. And a semicolon if it is there, yes, most of the data is having like a bank transaction files, text files are having, regular data is having semicolon. So test it with the different options. So I am taking as a space. Yes, text qualifier. Yes, whenever you are taking a text or number or any other character which is not coming properly, then the qualifier you need to take either double quotes or single quote. Then only text will be properly visible. Either single quote or double quotes, you need to take text qualifier. Something you are taking like some decimal number or date, it will be changed to some other column. So if the text column, you need to put either starting single quote or double quote and place the text. Yes, what the data you are putting, it will be treated as text. This is the super important. So now you just click next. Now see how the general you want, or you want to text or any date format you need, or don't import like a column and skip also you can specify, and convert the generic values if any. If you want you can like a delimited separator, these things if you need you can put, or else it's not required. So text if you want you can click the text as a plain text, it will be splitted, or else general also it will be. We have taken in a previous it's a text qualifier now, so no problem, it will be considered as a text only. Now it's a general only, and click next or click finish. The third step is only now it's you can make it finish. Now see how the data is moving into this area. So just a second. So I want to make it select the data and text to columns, delimited, click next, and space is required, yes, space is required, click next, and destination, yes, this is the point I have to explain you, but I didn't explain. B2, it is a default, it is selected from the B2. So if you don't want to the B2, just click on this arrow and click here. So C2 I have given and click here to specifying. Okay, so the C2, from here C2 have given the destination, from here to here it will be split and place the data. Now finish it. Wow, awesomely, it's not overwritten for existing, it's splitting into the two different columns. So let's check that space if it is there. If other than space, if you are having any such type of character or any other character, that one also you can split it. How super easy. Select the data, text to columns, delimited, click next. Others you can specify the character, maybe hyphen or maybe hash, maybe at whatever it. You need to specify here. That's it. So fixed width also, let's quickly have a look into that. See, if you want to split the width of any of the space, you can click the mouse and specify your mouse. See, in our data we can't justify in that way, so I have taken. If you are having that provision, you just click the mouse and specify this type of lines. That data will automatically split into the different columns and it will be give you a great output. Great output. You can play with your data. So this is how we need to work with the splitting of text into multiple columns. I hope it's a super easy lecture. In the next lecture, we'll see and catch you there. Thank you.